Hey everyone! Today, I want to share some powerful tips on how to use our time productively and unlock our success. First, define your goals and write them down. Clarity is key to avoiding waste and procrastination. Next, create plans for what you'll work on. Make lists of tasks for the month, week, and day. Now here's the secret. Focus on your 20% tasks. These are the ones that bring 80% of your results. Prioritize wisely. Think long-term to make better short-term decisions. Consider the consequences of your actions. And guess what? Procrastinate on purpose. High performers know what to put off and what to tackle first. Use the ABCD method to categorize tasks. A for must-do, B for should-do, C for nice-to-do, D for delegate, and E for eliminate. Start with the most important tasks and review regularly. Prioritize ruthlessly and leverage technology to stay organized. Allocate dedicated time for high-priority tasks. So, let's make the most of our time and achieve more in less time. Subscribe for more valuable content like this. See you soon!